This is actually going to be a tutorial on a tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the iorad tutorial, which is this little pink box up here. If you click on the pink box, you can start creating a tutorial with whatever site you're on. And in this case, we're on teacher.desmos.com. So when we click on the box, something's going to pop up that's going to ask us if we want to capture the steps to show someone how to use this website. So we're going to click Create a Tutorial. Then it's going to instruct us to close non-essential tabs and perform actions slowly. And when we're finished, we're going to click the blinking extension, which is the pink box. It's a Chrome extension that I added. It's free. And now that it's told us what to do, we're going to click Start, and then we're just going to start moving our mouse around. And now all I'm going to do is slowly move through and click on whatever I want people to see. And you're just going to make nice slow movements, and you're going to click from one thing to the next, open it up, do whatever you have to do, type in whatever you have to type in, and then it's going to record it all for you in iorad. So I am going to just forward here until I'm done clicking around and show you what's going to happen. Okay, so now that I'm finished clicking around on everything, I'm going to go back up to my little pink box and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to tell them that I'm done. You can always click on it to pause also. Now that it's done, a screen, an iorad.com screen is going to pop up, and it's going to give me the option to edit. So on the left here, you'll see I have it recorded 68 moves that I made. Then if we look down here, this is what iorad thinks I did, and it's showing the people who are watching the tutorial, it's telling them what to do. So if it's not exactly what I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and type in and change the wording a little bit. So I'm just going to make the changes that I want to make right here. Now I'm going to go up and click the next button, and I'm going to look at the next instruction it gave. So it just recorded these without even my help. So I'm going to keep going until I want to change something else. And when I want to change it, I'm going to change it on the left here. So all of this, once I'm done, I'm going to preview and finish. And we're not going to go through the whole thing right now. We're just going to do a couple more. Okay, so we typed on that. We go to next. So we can adjust the background. I'm going to give a little bit more specific instructions onto what happens. And then we're going to go down to where it says preview and finish. Now it's putting everything together for us. And then it's going to let me try it different ways. Now this is how it's going to also show to people who are watching. They can do an interactive, they can just view it as a list, they can watch it as a video, or they can print it to a PDF. So I'm going to try it so I can see what's happening. So as you can see, it tells them to click right here. And since this is interactive, they would actually click. Then it has the instructions on the right, but then they actually click and type into it. Then if you want to try it as a list instead, it's not going to actually allow you to click on it. Now, and the people who are doing this can do any way that they want, right? So it's not going to allow you to click on it. It's just going to show you, and then when you click next, it'll go to the next thing that you're supposed to be doing. So, and this one, you would assume that somebody just kind of wants to watch and see how to do it, not actually click on things yet. Then they can also watch it as a video. It will just play as a video. So right now it's just playing as a video. I'm not touching anything. And it just kind of goes through my instructions on the right and shows them what to do. And that's it. So then once you've decided that it's good enough, then you can get a link. You can copy the link over here on the left. So you can click share to share it with people. You can type their email, you can send it directly to them, or you can get a direct link, just copy the link. and send the link to people. And that's it. Then once you send the link to them, they will see your iorad tutorial, and then they can use it however they like. So if you want to see a finished product of an iorad tutorial, you can look at either of the other two tutorials that I did here, because I did both of those in iorad form. Thanks.